Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this review, we take a look close at CyberSmart to help you make an informed decision about this AI platform and how it can help you. So CyberSmart is a technology that helps you keep you safe online. Think of it like a guide for your computer and phone. It makes by expert people who know a lot about cybersecurity. The solution helps you protect your important stuff like your photos and password. It makes sure bad guys can't access your private information. CyberSmart works to stop cyber threats like viruses and scam before the attack. Now, talking about the key features about this platform, it comes with a wide range of features. For example, CyberSmart has some really cool ways to help you save online. These features work together to provide strong cybersecurity without being too complicated. So let's look at some of these best things this platform can do. For example, it comes with a cybersecurity checkup. It's part of the important features. It comes with automatic threat blocking and also a simple management and a learning and getting smarter, and also a clear security advice. So talking about the pricing plan, there's actually a custom price plan. You have to contact them for the details. So it is absolutely a custom plan. So talking about the pros and cons, knowing a good and the bad help you decide. So in this video, we're going to explore the pros and cons about the platform. So talking about the pro, it comes with an easy to use for everyone. Strong security protection is offered with artificial intelligence, which can learn fast and a good for small business need. It also helps you meet with security requirement. But talking about the downside, it has an advanced feature which is very cost, and support options vary by plan, and it may be basic for a big network. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Palmpay website. Thanks.